So guys, just quickly, we're just going to have a quick look inside the model railway. Phone's on 8%, so if my phone dies, I apologise.
Somebody else.
Let's see, here goes Thomas. There he goes. Next is Toby. And then Percy. And lastly is Dart. Okay.
Yeah, I see it. In the station. Oh, I see which one Daniel does. Daniel's doing right over there.
I'm there. Huh? No, it's there. You're there. What is it? It does that. It's all different. No, it's that. No, this one does that.
What is it out?
What is this? Turn the lights on. Look. Oh, no, this one does. Oh, Thomas. You need me, Thomas, no?
They seem excited, don't they?
I know. It doesn't take much.
No? It's alright. Thank you.